In this video we're going to build a Hypar sail and then using extended data change the link length in one corner. So in this example I'm using flat ends, so this would be typical if I had, for example, a D-ring and I've stipulated the width of the fitting is 50 millimeters and the length of my connection 200 millimeters. That's a 5 meter sail. So I'll just use the model builder tool. You can see here we've got links automatically installed, and if I relax the sail, we can remove the old. What we can do now is select one of the corners and using the extended data get the information about this link. And you can see this link is 200 millimeters long and 50 millimeters wide. Now I can change the link length by putting in a new value. In this example I'll use 50 millimeters, assuming I was going to make a direct connection with a shackle perhaps. Set that new value and then select everything again and relax again. You can see now the corner has adjusted automatically. Now if we actually look at the link length here, the length is actually only 2.8 millimeters, and that's because we've told the program we need the corner to be wide enough. At 50 millimeters away, it needs to be 50 millimeters wide. So the software is automatically adjusting the link length such that at 50 millimeters from the connection point, the length of our shackle, the fabric will be wide enough, 50 millimeters, to fit our 50 millimeter D-ring. Now in some cases, if these corner angles are fairly shallow, or if your fitting is wider, this will actually reverse and go backwards, effectively creating a work point, which is an artificial work point back here, to ensure that the fabric is wide enough at the point that you stipulate. Thank you for watching.